Mastering your audio is the secret weapon to polish video, and today we're diving deep into volume control in HitFilm Express. First, let's tackle the most direct way to control volume, the clip's volume level on your timeline. Find the audio track you want to adjust. Hover your mouse over the audio clip until you see a horizontal line running through it. This line represents the clip's volume. Simply click and drag this line downwards to decrease the volume, or upwards to increase it. A lower line means a quieter sound. For finer control, select your audio clip in the viewer window. You'll see an audio properties panel. Look for the volume parameter. Clicking the drop-down arrow next to it will reveal a slider. Dragging this slider left decreases the volume, and dragging it right increases it. This is perfect for making subtle adjustments when you need to apply the same volume adjustment to multiple clips or want a more powerful volume tool. Reach for audio effects. Navigate to the effects tab, search for gain, and drag it onto your audio clip. Once applied, select the clip again under viewer. You'll find the gain effects properties. Use the gain slider to precisely control the volume. Remember, a negative value will turn the volume down. For videos with multiple audio sources, like dialogue and background music, mixing is key. Adjust the individual volume levels of each track using the methods we've just covered. Aim for a balance where your primary audio, like dialogue, is clear and prominent, while background elements support the overall mood without overpowering it. You can preview your adjustments as you go to ensure a professional sound.